One of the things that often gets overlooked with the Civil War is that there's still a country that needs to be run. And the Republicans are in charge. When the Southern Democrats left the country, they basically gave the Republicans this super majority in the North. So what ends up happening is they pass policies that they would have supported. Now, remember, fighting the war, they are very concerned with fighting the war. And the first goal is to preserve the Union. And then after the Emancipation Proclamation, they're trying to liberate the enslaved population. So those are the war goals. But while they're running the country, they're going to be promoting what's referred to as economic nationalism, right? This is similar to the Clay's American system we saw during the Manifest Destiny era. They're going to increase the tariff as a way to raise revenue to try to protect those industries, especially those northern industries that are eventually going to become supercharged with all this money from producing products for the war. They're going to promote the Pacific Railway Act, which is a transcontinental railroad. They want to create that national marketplace, which is going to get people out to the West. And they figure if they're building these railways, they need people that are going to settle out there. So they passed the Homestead Act, where people that moved out there and they could farm land for 5 years got to keep that land for free, right? Promoting westward settlement. They're going to similarly create the Land Grant College Application Act, which would allow education out into the West. And finally, a national bank, right? These are all old Whig principles that the Republicans, many of which were former Whigs, would have been promoting at that point.